Okay, so next thing now is that we want to use the second option. So if I goes to my root, I type sudo dash I curly. So I'm going to type social engineer toolkit, which is the SE toolkit. So after that, we're going to choose number one, which is social engineering attack. After that, we're going to choose number two, which is a website attack vector. After that, we're going to choose number three, which is a credential harvester. Okay, so once we choose number three, what we go for in the beginning of this class is the first one, which is a web template. The next option is site cloner. So I'm going to explain how site cloner works. Just choose number two. Once you choose number two, the same thing, this guy is going to be asking you for the IP address of your attacking machine. Just copy it, copy this IP address and paste at the front. So any IP address your own is displaying, you will put it at the front and hit enter key. The next thing this guy is asking is that enter the URL to clone. He's asking you that which particular URL do you want to clone. For example, if I come to my system and I goes to this website, this security. For example, let me go for vonweb.com. So if I goes to this website, vonweb.com, so let's hold on for this guy to come up. So I'm going to copy this particular URL here. I'm going to copy it and I go back to my Kali. I want to clone that particular website. So once I come here, this guy asking me for the URL, I'm going to paste the URL. And after that, I will hit enter key. So once we hit enter key, we have already cloned this particular website. So if I come here to my Firefox, if I open my browser, if I open my browser, so let's allow this guy to come up. After that, I'm going to type localhost. So if I type localhost, is either you type localhost or you put the IP address of your Kali. So if I hit enter key, type localhost, as you can see here, the same way this particular website looks like, this is the real one. And if you come to our Kali, this is the fake one. So all these websites looks the same thing. The real one and the fake one, they both looks the same thing. So that's how a website cloning is. A bad guy can clone any website and the two websites going to be looking the same thing. What's the objective there is that in any username and password you are inserting on the website, the bad guy is going to be getting all those things immediately. So that's how a social engineering attack is be carried out. But inside these particular tools here, which is a social engineering toolkit, we have we have a limit of a website on it. We have limit of a website. We only have Google and we only have Twitter. But there's a lot of tools that a bad guy can use to create a fake website like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram, Snapchat. So I'm going to explain a particular tools for you and I'm going to explain how it works. So after that, we're going to know how to prevent ourselves from such an attack. So the next thing I want to explain another tools we can the bad guy use to carry out the social engineering attack.